Here's how to transfer a vehicle title in New York. Whether you're buying or selling, you'll need two things: proof of sale and proof of ownership. The proof of sale is the Bill of Sale form, MV 912. It needs to be filled out and signed by both the buyer and seller, even if the vehicle is a gift. Proof of ownership is usually the title certificate. The seller fills out the transfer section on the back of the title and hands it to the buyer. If the title is missing, other approved documents can be used. After the sale, the buyer must go to the DMV to register and title the vehicle. They'll need to bring the bill of sale, the signed title, and pay sales tax or show they're exempt. If you're buying from a dealer, they usually handle the paperwork and send it to the DMV for you. The proof of sale from a dealer is the MV50 form. For gifted vehicles, list the price as 0 on the bill of sale and complete form DTF 802. If the gift is to someone outside your immediate family, fill out Section 6 on page 2 of that form. Make sure everything is filled out neatly, no crossouts or whiteout. And if you're buying a used car, it's smart to check the VIN online to make sure the car hasn't been flooded or stolen. That's it for a smooth title transfer in New York.